Using Disney Plus gift cards is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card and start enjoying your favorite shows and movies. Step 1. Visit the Disney Plus website or app. Go to the official Disney Plus website or open the Disney Plus app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account or create a new account if you don't have one. Step 2. Navigate to the account settings. Once logged in, look for your account icon or profile picture, usually located in the top right corner. Click on it and select Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Find the Redeem Gift Card option. In Account Settings, look for a section labeled Payment or Redeem Gift Card. Click on this option to proceed with the redemption process. Step 4. Enter the gift card code. You will see a field where you can enter your gift card code. Carefully type in the code exactly as it appears on the card, ensuring there are no typos or errors. Step 5. Confirm and apply. After entering the code, click on the Redeem or Apply button. If the code is valid, the amount will be added to your account balance, and you can start using it for your Disney Plus subscription. Now you are ready to enjoy all the content Disney Plus has to offer. Happy streaming!